Hi all, this is Chris from ManageEngine New Zealand from Soft Solutions team. In this week's video, I'm going to give a product update from ManageEngine New Zealand for our customers out here. Let's start out with our flagship product solutions, IT service management. So what's new in our service desk application that's hosted on cloud? Maintenance module got released. So if you guys could remember, there was a feature called preventive maintenance task that was available. Now it's available as a separate module that will enable any organization to roll out their maintenance, schedule their maintenance, and have it all tracked with calendar view, list view, and task associated to your maintenance request. And we also have a global variable that's available now for the cloud solutions. And the best part is problems. If you guys are planning to migrate your on-premises to cloud, you won't be able to migrate problems. The only option is start fresh. But now there is an ability where we can import problems to your cloud application. And then what's new in our on-premises service desk application? The application has a Teams integration available. So once you guys updated your current service pack to the latest service pack that's available for Service Desk on-premises, then you can see a Teams integration option available under admin module. So you can update your Teams connection and tenancy detail, and then you can pretty much work similar to our cloud application. And let's talk about our customer support portal, Support Center Plus. So hope you guys know that version 11 got released. And what's new with that application? There is a live chat function that got enabled, and it has an automation module that's available for us to leverage the customer-facing portal to make use of it. Then the best about MSP Editions, it's a good news for all MSPs using our ManageEngine ServiceDesk Plus application. The application supports a tight integration with your Salesforce application. Your Xero integration and ADManager Plus integration is now available with our ServiceDesk Plus MSP Edition. So if you guys are on the older edition, please try updating it to the latest service pack with your ServiceDesk Plus MSP. Then you can integrate the tools that's available. And let's move on to our Active Directory, Identity, Access, and Governance Security Solutions. So with respect to our ADManager solution, it enhanced the latest service pack available that will help us enhanced feature for file server management. And you can use this file server management using the automation module, and also supports NetApp, Dell, DFS file server systems. Office 365 Manager, there's a lot more features that's getting released as and when Microsoft releases a new update or new feature. Alongside, there is an option available with our Office 365 Manager. So now what you can do is, with the user creation templates, it allows a direct addition of users to your Microsoft 365 security and distribution groups, and also add your Azure AD devices to the security groups. These options are available right now with the Office 365 Manager with the user creation templates. And in terms of our Exchange Reporter Plus, it's updated with our two-factor authentication, keeping the security as a forefront. So any technicians who are accessing the Exchange Reporter Plus application, they have to provide a second layer of access with the TFA. And in terms of our AD Self-Service Plus solution, it introduces a backup verification code. There was a bit of challenges when a person who was roaming, who cannot access their registered MFA device or authenticator app, then they can very well use the backup verification code that will enable them to unlock their account or reset their passwords, or VPN logins, or self-service actions, and any sort of application logins with the password synchronizer. That's about our AD solutions. Let's move on to our unified endpoint management solutions and securities. So what's new? Mobile Device Manager Plus application now supports the battery level of your endpoints. So admins can track the battery levels and set up some custom alerts and notifications to it. And the best part is unified endpoint management solution also comes up with a packaged endpoint security bundle. It's an add-on, covers your vulnerability assessment, browser security aspects, and the application, the add-on has an ability to identify any sort of bad config and fix that with the configuration updates and remediating any sort of bad configurations, and has an application control for whitelisting and blacklisting the applications that's relevant to your organization, and a device control that helps to manage any sort of USB to, connections or devices connected to your endpoints. It's all towards the security aspect. So that's from the unified endpoint management solution. Last but not the least, let's move on to the IT operation management. So what's new with our IT operation management is our application manager. Now proactively you can monitor AWS Beanstalk and any web server or web applications that's hosted based on AWS Beanstalk. It can be fully proactively monitored with our application manager. And our network configuration manager, now it has a feature where it can check the vulnerability of your firmware. So firmware vulnerability widget is available out of box. So you can add it to your dashboard and check if you're having multi-vendor networking devices. And if you want to check the vulnerability of your firmware across all devices, you can add this widget to your dashboard. Just log in, you should be able to see and keep your device firmware up to date. And in terms of our Firewall Analyzer, the feature that's available is a rule comparison report that's available in your Firewall Analyzer right now. It gives a detailed report on all the rules, all the rules that's made. So you can do a comparison, rule compare and check what's right, what's wrong. And you can devise your strategy to ensure that your network are protected and safeguarded, and it's configured, optimized to your business requirement. If you guys need to know more about how we can help with your comprehensive IT management, do reach out to us. We are always here to help. Much appreciated for watching. Have a great day. See ya. Bye.